You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you've tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you've tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings.
Hi everyone, this is Heather with Life with Heather G, and I'm here with my Paradise Delivered box. This came a couple days ago, but I hadn't had time to open it. So we're gonna go ahead and dig in and see what we got. So you always have this pretty paper, and it also says Paradise Delivered on it. Now this one is $39.99 a month. I believe you can get your first one like $20 off, or I'll put a code below if you guys want to try it out, but you do get some off your first box. It has the price card, so everything's listed. You can also win your next box for free if you post on like Instagram or social media and tag them in it. You can get entered to win. I'm not sure what this is. It says Hello Gorgeous, and it's a little card. $40 gift for you. Add some swag to your closet. It says www.shopland.com. So I'm assuming it's just clothes, but you have a $40 coupon. So I'll go check those guys out. Maybe they'll have something cute. Okay, so let's go ahead and get our first item. Okay, this is the Cambridge Proper Multi-Wear Bandeau. So this is $18, and you can wear it to the gym, shopping, for any activities, wear it all kinds of different ways. Look, you can even wear it as a mask. Or a hairband. Yeah, so anyway, that's cute. Let me take it out and show you guys the color. It's like a bluish purple. It's very thin. It literally, okay. So it looks like a gator, you know, that you wear skiing, an infinity, but it's small. So that's cute though. That would help keep your hair out of your face while you're even doing your makeup and stuff. Okay, so next item is Panera Grape Seed Infused Hand Cream. And this one is $22. This Lush Moisturizing Hand Cream, boasting anti-age, antibacterial, and moisture-retaining properties, will leave your skin feeling silky smooth with a burst of vitality. Nice. Put it on, paying close attention to your cuticle area. So $22. I like hand creams. Oh yeah, there. I do like getting hand creams. Who can't use that? And it's thick. Sometimes I'll get a hand cream and they feel really watery. And I don't like that feeling. This one feels very thick, but yet not so thick that it doesn't absorb. Ooh, it smells good too. Ooh, I'm not sure what that smell is, but it smells good. Okay, so there is that. Next thing is South of Maine eye patches. This set is for $10, and there is a set of 3. So place on for 15 to 20 minutes and remove for hydration under the eye. I love eye masks. So I'm always excited to get these. In fact, I was looking for some in my drawer the other day and I didn't have any. I was like, oh, I don't have any. So 3 patches. I like them when they're in the individual ones like this, because you can just kind of, if you're going on a trip, take a couple. Okay, next thing is Gen 3. And this says it is a pink pendant gold bar necklace for $48. So let's peek at it. Oh my goodness, that's pretty. That's definitely looks like something I would wear. That is pretty. So again, that says that it is a trendy necklace, is sure to become a new staple in your collection. Wear it alone or layer it with other favorites. It's a 17-inch chain with a 3-inch extender. Nice, because sometimes they're not long enough for me, so I always need that extender. So I love that. That is pretty. In fact, maybe I'll put it on today. Okay, you always get a snack in here too. So these are finger licking Dutch Stroop caramel waffle cookie for $4. They remind me of the ones that you get on the airplane. You ever gotten those before? Yeah, so that kind of reminds me of that. It's supposed to have like caramel in the middle, and a lot of people put them over their coffee in the morning, and then they warm up because of the steam, and they're really good. So that is neat. Okay, next item is Cleo Emerald Beauty Bar. Let's see. A 4-piece beauty bar soap set for $20. Love your skin with this gentle ultra moisturizing bar soap set featuring 4 individually wrapped bars, each in a distinct fragrance. Good quality soap is one of life's simple and important luxuries. So that's cute. Different flavors. Energizing citrus, refreshing strawberry, cooling mint, and soothing lavender. Nice. All right, then we have Bae Lash. What is this? This is a lash serum, retailing it for $65. Get lush, healthier looking lashes while promoting the appearance of longer, thicker lashes with this transformative award-winning formula and a favorite of Paradise Delivered team. So $65. And I do like lash serums. In fact, I don't have one right now. It's supposed to help your lashes grow. Oh, and it's in a really pretty gold container. So, alrighty then. I'll have to test that out and see how it works. Oh, I like this. It says Lash Like a Boss inside the container. This is really cute too. I like the black and gold packaging. All right, and last thing is a Jules K. Looks like a gold makeup bag. It says it's $38. Wow, that's an expensive makeup bag. This stylish, versatile bag can be carried as a clutch at night or just slip it into your purse or tote for additional storage while you're shopping or at work. Either way, you're sure to make a statement with this shiny, standout accessory. I'm gonna open it. It's hard for me to imagine a pouch being $38. This better be really good quality. It does have a nice little thing in there that has their name on it. It smells leathery, but it doesn't say it's leather, but it does kind of smell like a leather. So anyways, that's cute. Anyways, I always feel like there's really cute things in here. So we got the pouch. I got the beautiful necklace. We got the eye gel masks. We got the Bandeau that you can use different ways. We have the hand cream, the lash booster, a yummy snack. And I know last month we got the Lily's bar, which I really like. And then we have bar soaps. So again, everything that I will really use. I mean, I'll definitely use the soaps, the lash stuff, hand cream, who doesn't use that? A fun snack, eye masks. Yeah, I'll use all this. The only thing I'm not sure if I'll use for sure is this Bandeau. I might. I don't always remember to pull them out when I'm doing makeup and put them on. And I don't usually wear them in my hair. But I'll have to try it out some different ways and see what which way I like. And I do like that they show you different ways you can use it. So I mean, I guess right now you can even just use it as a mask when you're going out, or it shows them with the scarf. So yeah, it's cute. I like it. I do like this box. Anyways, I guess that is all. Let me know down below if you like this box, if you get this box. Again, I'll try to link a coupon code below for your first month at a discount. I believe you get like 20 bucks off. So it would make it 20 bucks, which is a great deal for your first one. And we will see you guys next unboxing. Bye.